Welcome to the enigmatic and captivating realm of the Virgin Mountains in Nevada. This mountain range, stretching across the Mojave Desert, holds a deep historical and ecological significance that has intrigued explorers and nature enthusiasts for centuries. Nestled within the Mojave Desert, the Virgin Mountains stand as sentinels of Nevada's natural heritage. Their significance extends far beyond their awe-inspiring appearance. These mountains are crucial to the delicate balance of the local ecosystem. For indigenous people, the Virgin Mountains have been a source of spiritual inspiration and a provider of vital resources for generations. The mountain's rich flora and fauna have sustained communities, offering medicinal plants, food, and materials for various needs. During the westward expansion of the United States, the Virgin Mountains served as a natural barrier and a guiding landmark for pioneers. Their imposing presence shaped the paths of early travelers, leaving an indelible mark on the history of the American frontier.
There really is something to be said about this view. I mean, to me, it's just the grandeur of it, because the mountains in the distance, of course, are the Virgin Mountains, and the river that you see in the foreground is the Virgin River, and it is probably 200 or 300 or more feet below me as I sit on this cliff. And it is pretty much a cliff. Sorry for the lines and everything. I just wanted to say something while I'm thinking about it. That it is kind of like when you're driving in the valleys in the west and you see the mountains in the distance and you think, man, it seems like it's, I'm driving forever. When I look at the size of this, when I say the grandeur of it, I mean that I can, and I can't do it now because they're actually in the shade so you wouldn't see them, but there are cows that congregate in that area right there, and then in the tree line just above it, and they look like dots from here. And of course I look at the mountain and I think, man, if I flew my drone that direction, I could lose sight of it. Well, I'd lose sight of it very quickly. And I wouldn't even be more than, 150, 200 feet beyond the riverbank, flying a drone in that direction forever. And then if I lost control of it and it ended up going down, then my choice would be to get a real fast driving start in Sarah and just see if I can clear at least onto that sandbank there, and then drive across and up the mountain. Sarcasm aside, to get around, I'd have to go all the way into that town over there and then follow, hopefully, whatever possible paths they have, like these, through that I mean, we're literally talking about provisioning. And if I can make it, I mean, even look at the crevasses from the runoff. Even if I could make it, it would take days just to find that drone. Battery'd be dead by then, I'm sure. No beeping. I hate the fact that I can talk myself out of flying my drone so easy.
Today, the Virgin Mountains continue to enchant explorers and adventure seekers. Their rugged terrain provides a challenging yet rewarding playground for hikers, rock climbers, and outdoor enthusiasts. The mountains also serve as a living classroom, inviting visitors to learn about the region's unique geology, flora, and fauna. The Virgin Mountains are not merely rocks and peaks, they are storytellers. Each ridge and canyon holds tales of ancient civilizations, early pioneers, and the resilience of nature. Exploring these mountains is like stepping into a living history book. As we marvel at the grandeur of the Virgin Mountains, let us remember their significance. They are not just geographical features, they are guardians of history, bearers of culture, and stewards of Nevada's rich natural legacy. In the heart of the Mojave Desert, the Virgin Mountains stand tall, inviting us to explore, learn, and appreciate the wonders of our world. May their significance endure through generations, inspiring awe and reverence for the remarkable tapestry of nature and the history they represent.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?